I am going to start very important question of quantitative aptitude topic percentage with basic concept and shortcut. Let us see. So this is the first question, and here the first question is what? An alloy of gold and silver weighs 50 gram. It contains 80% gold. How much gold should be added to the alloy so that percentage of gold is increased to 90%? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Alloy and gold and silver is what? Total 50 gram. In this 50 gram alloy, 80% gold. So you can find first how much gold in this alloy. The gold is what? 80%. So 80% of what? That is 50 gram. So we know the technique, what I told in the previous class, when you are finding percentage of any number. So simply what you do, just multiply the both numbers. Your number is what? 180 and other 50. So 8 5 are 40 and here what? 20, right? Now trick is what? When you are finding percentage of any number, multiply it and after two digit from right, give decimal. So this. So answer is what? 40 gram. So what we get? 80% of 50 is what? 40 gram. Now my question is what? How much gold should be added to the alloy? Alloy is 50 gram total. So this 50 gram total alloy, if you are adding here what? Suppose X gram gold we are adding. The total alloy will be what? 50 plus 50 gram alloy is given and again only pure X gram gold adding. So total alloy will be 50 plus X now. And now we need 90% of the total should be what? That is gold. So gold how much? 40 gram gold already here in the 50 gram. And now we are adding extra X gram gold. So total gold in the LOI is 40 plus X. So 90% of the total LOI should be what? 40 plus X. Now you can find very easily this cancel out. Here we will get 9 5 ja 40, 450 plus 9x and this equal to what? 400 plus 10x, right? So this is 9x or 10x. So difference will be what? X only. And here 450 and 400 difference will be 50. So our right answer is what? 50. If we add 50 gram, if we add 50 gram of what? 50 gram gold, then it will become what? 90% of the LOI. Okay. So our right answer is 50 gram. So this 50 gram is right answer. So again, explaining question is what? 50 gram LOI given and in this LOI gold is 80%. So how much gold should be added in this LOI so that percentage of gold increase to 90%? So technique is what? First you find the gold. Gold is what? 80% of 50. That is 80 into 50 is what? 440 and double zero. And after two you put decimal, you will get 40, right? Or second is what? Now gold already in the LOI 40. What pure gold should be added in the LOI so that 90% of the LOI is equal to the gold. So total LOI is given what? That is 50 gram. So we are adding X gram gold. So that is what? 50 plus X, 90% is what? 40 plus X. And we can find X equal to 50. That is our right answer. You can cross check also, right? So what is the cross check in the option method? With the help of the option, we can find what? We can find that that means any option is given what? How much pure gold is added. So 50 gram already LOI and we are adding gold. Suppose 50 gram gold adding. So total LOI will be what? 50 plus 50, that is 100. And when you get 100, 90%, because we need 90% increase. So 190% is what? Everyone knows that is 90 only. So this is 90. And already you know 40 gram is in 80% gold. So 50 gram, 80% gold, that already how much gold? 40. And we are adding 50. So 40 plus 50 what? 90. So our answer is correct. Already gold in this LOI is what? 90. Okay. So that is the in the way of the option we can find answer very easily. So this is the basic condition and tricky approach is the option method. In option method, you see ki what is question given, ki what number, how much gold should be added. So suppose 50 gram gold added. If 50 gram gold added, then LOI will be how much? Already 50 gram LOI and 50 gram you are adding. 50 plus 50, 100. Now my question is what? That means that when we added the LOI, it become 90% of this is what? Pure gold. So 90% of 100 is what? 90 only. So gold should be 90. Yes, gold already 90 because in the previous 80% gold. So 80% of 50 is what? 40. 40 gram gold already in the LOI and 50 gram we added. So 50 plus 4, 90. So in this way, by the tricky way, we can find only in a one line from the option. Here, that is a 1 liter of water is added to 5 liter of alcohol and water solution containing 40% alcoholation. That means 1 liter water is added 5 liter of alcohol and water solution where alcohol is what? 40. 40. So we can find that is how much alcohol is there. So alcohol is what? 40%. So we can find 40% of 5. So technique is what? Just multiply the both number and after 2 do with decimal. So 4 5s are 20, 200 when decimal. That means alcohol is what? That is 2 liter is the alcohol. Now your question is what? So that is strength of alcohol in the new solution will be what? So a strength with what? That is the percentage of alcohol. So alcohol in the, you can say that is the solution is what? Only 2 liter alcohol. Okay. And 1 liter water we have added. So total solution will be what? 5 liter already solution and 1 liter water. So total solution become what? 6 liter. In 6 liter, alcohol is what? Only 2 liter, right? So percentage is what? 2 into 100 by total. Total is what? 6. We can find direct 2 3 is 6. So 100 by 3. Our right answer is 33 and